School2.
Excuse me. How are you?
Okay, what can I do for you?
My name is Chief Abadi. I've been following you since that time you came out from that supermarket. You ain't Okada.
So why are you following me?
I like you.
You like me?
Yes.
Oh. Thank you.
No, it's not that type now. I'm not finished. Sister. Hello. Auntie.
Hello, can you stop following me?
No, I cannot.
Why?
I like you, and when I like somebody, I follow the person with my heart.
You like me, right?
Yes.
Then stop following me.
No, I will not.
Well, there's an opportunity come for but once. Now, so when we saw them,
Me, I can die for love. I'm a very stubborn person when it comes to love.
Stop following me.
I'll give me your number. You don't want to give me a number, you start to stop following you. You don't know me. I will follow you today.
I told you to stop following me, but you don't want to listen.
And I said no, I will not stop following you.
Stop following me.
When I lost somebody from my heart.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
You lost somebody from your heart?
Yes.
Don't worry. Somebody will love you too.
It's you I want to love. Anything you like, let you do. Let me tell you, all this all you are doing is initial gra. Me, I will love you. Whether you want it or not. You don't know me. You will not open this door. You will know that I'm a stubborn lover. Just wait,
this man,
I will show you what I can do.
70 years old man.
Yes.
He will not come out.
Not be juju be that.
All this thing you are doing, you will come out here and meet me. You will come out here and meet me.
Not be when our father died for each other and we dey care for them, keep them for house, they pour libation. You do friend and prayer and say, Mogo Buhari mo you do say you friend Buhari prayer. Olo say that boy no ruler. Chitombo arebo fubo. And that is it. Ari furu site mexi lakwo. And I remember. We have to rise up. We have to know who we are. This world can be something else.
You will not open this place, Abi? Okay. It's like those stones, they are too small.
Now God now make me German. If God don't want me to be German, if I make me another thing now.
If you don't open this gate now, 1, 2, 3. Open this gate.
Why are you asking my car? You the one throwing stones?
Good afternoon, sir.
Why are you throwing stones?
Hey! I hear me, but
No, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Chairman, God bless you, sir. Jesus love you. That one here.
No.
Please, I'm the son of my father. Please.
Abumu too much.
I will not
Abumu too much. Hey! 70 years old man.
sir.
How many times will they tell you
Come
before
and throw
you
me
know
stone
that
back.
Nigeria is not for
Come and throw
you?
me stone. Please, sir.
no, na me fuck up.